Very nice. Wonderful. Let me see. Good.
Look at this. Another Japanese one. And you just heard it from Michael himself. Said very, very nice. What are your thoughts on it? How do you feel?
I'm pleased with the end result, more pleased than I thought I would be. It's a difficult design when you're watching it and when you start doing it.
Looks like the lobby of the Mandarin Hotel.
So something different than what I would normally do, but definitely worth learning.
And you're learning a bunch of new things, yeah?
Definitely, the technique is the thing, you know, the creativity, bring your own creativity to it, but the actual technique
Josh, what's your favorite
is
thing?
what we learned. It's just extremely valuable. So.
What do you think is the biggest takeaway from the past two classes?
I would say that the process can be duplicated every time once you figure out what the process is. So once you learn the process and you understand the different forms and the different design techniques, then you can duplicate it and make slight changes. But the technique and the processes themselves, essentially the foundation remains the same.
Exactly, 100%. Fantastic. It's amazing. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at this.